Hello, welcome back to Red a Ted Art. We're going to be making pinch pots from air drying clay today. Super easy egg shaped pinch pots that you can decorate as this cute little chick or as Easter eggs. Come on, let's take a look and see how they're made. Okay, so we've got some bits of clay. The first thing we need to do is kind of combine it into one smooth dough. So I'm just going to squish it together to make it into a nice neat ball. If you're doing this in a kiln, you obviously need to get all the air bubbles out, but we're going to do this as air drying, so really I just need to get it into a nice neat ball and then we can work from there. Okay, so I've got a nice neat ball that fits into my palm of my hand. I'm now going to start shaping it. You take your thumb and your index finger and you basically squeeze in. So you're pinching your clay into this pot shape. Don't worry about too much if it cracks. We're going to fix that as we go along. But you're basically shaping it into a sort of circular or semicircle or semi-sphere actually sort of shape. Whereas you can smooth down any big cracks as you go. But we can also do that, a little bit later. I have a little bit of water here to help so it doesn't get worse. Okay, so I think that's a good basic shape. And as we're going to do the eggs, we're going to shape it slightly more oval. So I'm just taking my hands and I've just squeezed it in to make that more eggy shape. Now we're going to spend a few minutes just smoothing it all down and evening it out. Now one last thing, you can either leave it the way it is, and this is just going to be your egg shape, or we're going to also create one of our bowls, which is going to be a chick. And I saw this idea from Make It Your Own. They did a little snowman for us, and for the snowman they basically added little pipe cleaner snowman arms. Now I'm going to turn this egg into a chick, so I want to add holes to add some pipe cleaner legs. So here we go, have a look at this. Oopsie. So we've got these two holes, and then later we're going to put little pipe cleaner legs. This is going to be our chick bowl, and then the other ones are going to be our egg bowls. But they're really made exactly the same way, just for the chick. You're adding some cute little holes. I like the fact that they're both going to be the same shape. They're both going to be egg shape. And just by painting it differently, you have a different effect. So yeah, so let these dry fully. It might take 2 or 3 days, and then we'll come back to paint them. So on this wet and dreary day, our egg is now fully dry and we're going to paint it. Now you can either use something like these gloss enamels or some acrylic paints. I've actually run out of acrylic yellow, so I'm going to use this gloss enamel. But you can have a slightly lighter yellow. This is going to be my chick. Do some eggs as well, but I think that's probably not a bad chick colour. We'll see. So make sure with the gloss enamels your brush doesn't have to be super wet. With the acrylics it helps if your brush isn't too dry, and then we're just going to paint it all over. So I'll just do that quickly, and then once it's dry we'll come back and look at the final finishing touches. So now the basic egg shape is dry. I'm going to use these paint pens, but you can also use toothpicks and paint if that's a bit easier. And I'm just going to add a little chick face. So I'm going to give it these kind of half open eyes. And then I'm going to give it a little yellow beak. Orange beak. And some rosy cheeks, and there you go. So you could just leave your chick pinch pot bowl at this point just like that, or you can do one more thing. I mean, obviously we've got the Easter egg versions as well, or this is the chick version. So we made the holes earlier on. I'm just going to poke it through, pull it this way, put it around the other side, make sure it's even, and then I'm going to just shape it into a little foot. And then give it a little twist at the end. So cute. And then do the same on this side. So make sure it's about the same length. And again, give it a little twist. And you have this super cute chick pinch pot bowl to go with our Easter egg pinch pots. Anyway, I hope you liked these different makes. As mentioned, you can decorate the eggs in lots of different colours and dots and stripes and whatever you want, or turn it into a little chick like this one. But yeah, I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and I'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.